If you own an Apple Watch, you'll know it's incredibly hard to find a screen protector. I did a review of the Skinomic screen protector a couple of weeks back, and today I finally found the perfect screen protector for your Apple Watch. You're going to want to stick around. What's up everybody, I'm Original Dobo. Thanks for stopping back in. If you're new here, consider hitting the subscribe button, and if you're not new, drop a like on this video, or even if you are new, drop a like on this video, definitely helps out. I do a new video every week, so you're gonna wanna make sure you're here. This is the Whitestone Dome tempered glass screen protector for your Apple Watch. Whitestone did reach out to me. They did send this out to me after seeing my Skinomic video, and no, they aren't paying me to say anything about them, and they aren't seeing this video before I post it. But I have used their products in the past and I'm genuinely impressed with them. Now this screen protector is technically a liquid screen protector because it uses a liquid adhesion process to get it on the screen, but I promise you it's not as intimidating as it sounds, and it's super simple to install. And the best part is it's a full coverage tempered glass screen protector, which I think is what many are looking for on the Apple Watch. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get this thing installed. Now I've already unboxed this, so I'm gonna go ahead and cast this one off to the side in case I totally screw this up. Inside the box, you get one UV light, a USB cable, two screen protectors, wiping cloths, and they've even included a nice metal cover for your Apple Watch that works with the Whitestone Dome tempered glass. Now before we start, we want to make sure that the Apple Watch is completely powered down before we start the install process. After the watch is powered down, go ahead and prep the screen with the included cleaning cloths. After using the included cleaning cloths, go ahead and tap down the screen with the dust removal stickers. Setting the watch inside the installation case, go ahead and put the foam cover over the watch. This will help absorb any excess liquids that may spill over. Go ahead and use a dust removal sticker if needed, and also clean it with an alcohol wipe if you touch the screen at any point. There is also an install cover tray that will need to be installed at this time. I like to go ahead and do a dry run with the tempered glass screen protector before I put any liquid on the screen, just so I know how the tempered glass is supposed to fit and lay. Go ahead and remove the blue plastic tape on the install tray and set the cardboard installation tab onto the left side. Unscrewing the white cap first, then the black, go ahead and drain the liquid on top of the glass. Once the liquid is drained onto the glass, go ahead and slide the screen protector under one of the hinges and lay the other side on that cardboard tab. You're now ready to install the screen protector. Carefully tilt the screen ever so slightly, letting the liquid run down the glass, and pull the tab out immediately. Once the glass is down on the screen and the liquid is adhered all the way across, go ahead and turn on your UV light. You're going to want to let this run a couple of times before you remove it from the tray. Once removed from the tray, I go ahead and run the UV light a couple of more times, also wiping it down, cleaning any excess spillage that came from the adhesive. Now that we're done with the UV light, we've wiped it all down, the screen protector is installed, and honestly, it looks pretty great. Now I did have one little spot in the center because I accidentally dropped a couple of pieces of liquid prematurely, and yeah, I ended up with a spot. But all in all, it feels really fantastic. It doesn't feel any different than the actual real glass. It looks great. The touch sensitivity is just the same as it was prior. And honestly, it's pretty idiot proof to go ahead and install this. As long as you have a little bit of patience, it's definitely much easier than using the liquid screen protectors. It's a whole lot less finicky in any sense, but yeah, and the inclusion of that case is a really nice touch if you want to use it. I totally recommend using that case because it makes it less prone for you to have any issues with the screen protector as well. But all in all, I'm very impressed with Whitestone. I've used them before and I will continue to use them. And it's an easy solution to make sure you don't have any scratches or damage to your Apple Watch. Anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed this jerry-rig everything style video. It's totally not like me to do that, but if you did, go ahead and hit that thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe if you already haven't. I'll see you next time. Stay original.